Have a fast on track Ferrari 308. Have a troop convoy. Have a Shock Factor from Walmart. Have a Skull Rider. Have a Bugging Out series Radar Ranger. Have a Sizzlers. Have a Sugar Rush Series 2 Dodge concept car, Baby Ruth. Have a wheel loader. Have a rigor mortar. Have an Auburn 852. Have a hydroplane. Border Patrol, Harbor Patrol. Flying Ace series. We got a Archnarod spider car or whatever. Whatever how you say that. Got a Nissan 300ZX. Got a Speed Blaster. We got a Dodge Power Wagon. Got a Road Rocket. Buick Wildcat. Got some Slide Out. Got a Dart Rider series. '36 Cord.